Hello fellow DIYers, welcome back to Mountain Chic by Ruby. Today we're going to be working on some tablescapes Easter style. Alright, and we are going to work with Dollar Tree charger. We're going to make this into something really cute. Yep, you guessed it. We're going to transform it. So stay tuned.
For this project you will need from Walmart black chalk paint, cream chalk paint, elmers glue, wax, paintbrushes. From the Dollar Tree, I bought the plate or charger and the twine. And as far as the little flower for his tail, you can buy that anywhere. At the end of the video, you will also see a decoupaged charger and bunny. I have a video linked down in the comments below for all of the information on that. With this black chalk paint, I'm going to cover this ugly gold Dollar Tree charger. Once it is covered, just go ahead and set it aside to let it dry. Once it is almost dry, you can go back over with 2 coats, the second coat, or you can even do 3 coats. For what I'm doing, I felt like just 2 coats was fine, but I did dab it on with a sponge brush just to kind of give it a little bit more texture and thickness. Okay, now for our little bunny. I got this template off of the internet, just printed it out and then cut it out with my X-Acto knife onto some poster board that had foam, the foam poster board. And now I'm just gonna put elmers glue, a layer over it to help with the crackle look that we're looking for. Once your little bunny has dried a little bit, the neat thing about elmers glue is it does not have to dry all the way. That's why I prefer it over a Crackle medium. But it also tends to give you larger crackles. Maybe it's because I do put it on a little bit thick. So if you're using elmers glue, you can just wait till it's a little bit tacky and then you can apply your next coat of paint. After the elmers glue and paint have dried completely, go ahead and add your tail. Find the center or wherever you want that little tail and push it through. I used a ballpoint pen, and then you'll just slip your flower straight through, giving it a cute little fluffy Easter tail. Then we'll move on to our black plate and do the same thing that we did with the bunny by adding elmers glue, letting it dry until tacky, and don't forget, if you like big cracks, you're gonna use a little bit more of your elmers glue. It's gonna be a little bit thicker. If you like the real fine little cracks, you're gonna thin out that elmers glue. I actually like both. Now that our plate is a little bit tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and add the cream color to this plate as well to match our bunny. You don't want to use a lot of pressure. It's just light brush strokes, and you don't want to keep going over the same spot because that will move the Elmer's glue around and you won't get that crackle look that you really want. So just be a little bit gentle. Would you look at this? Exactly what I wanted. Little crackles, big crackles everywhere. All right, and what would a mountain chic DIY be without mountain chiking it up? That's exactly what we're gonna do. Let's give those cute little finishing mountain chic touches to the end of this project. I'm just gonna add some Dollar Tree twine around the edges of the bunny. And I decided to go ahead, if you notice, put a little bow in the bunny's hair, which was a smaller flower that looked similar to her tail. At the end, you're going to see 3 different bunnies that I did. There's a decoupage, there's a painted, and a crackled. And so I'm really hoping that you do leave comments down below. If you're on a cell phone, you have to kind of go down a little bit further and leave a comment of which one is your favorite. And once I know which one I'm going to be using, I will finish the back of the bunny and make 7 more of them because I have a big family, so that I will have the cutest little Easter tablescape ever. I may even use a long board and do the same effect with the crackling paint and put that in the very center of my table. I think that would be really cute. And then decorate that with Easter flowers. Oh, I can't wait. I love Easter. Here I am just going to put the finishing touches on my little charger to match the bunny. I really shouldn't say little. These chargers are a great size. And you also see at the end, I have a few different plates. None of my china really went well with this. So I'm just kind of using everyday dishes. So you'll have to let me know which plate you also liked the best. So that can sometimes be a challenge, but I think I found the one that I really like, but I'm so excited to hear about what you think. Also, if you notice, I am putting the twine kind of up, not necessarily on the edge of the charger, a little bit on top, because I want to be able to see that. Also, just a note, if you're planning on using this charger a lot, make sure you do follow it up with a wax coat. I just love these little flowers so much. I love the color, and so I wanted to add those to the charger as well. And you really should, I didn't do that with the big flower, and you'll see that. I should have cut it a little bit closer to where it laid more flat. I did do it with the little flower. I kind of caught on a little too late there. But actually, when it was all done, it was so perfect. It's super duper cute. Can't wait for you to see it. Here is the decoupage one that I just used Dollar Tree napkins. The painted one to look like wood, for our little crackled bunny and charger on a black plate. Let me know which one you like the best. I'm dying to hear. So please, if you've been inspired by this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with a friend, and once again, leave me some comments. Thank you, and I look forward to crafting with you again real soon.